Na mamema o aha na memo akwaba emra Adom TV Premtobre Kasee boso na edab na day sema ye de bade di mu akotene ye be komra sebedwa fie dom kuma kane dom kuma na ye nyina ye nim eye ndc amanyoko ne mra sebedwafo enne wo komra sebedwa fie no makwakotena ba bi Adom Kasee etina no na ema eho osobo no ewo sopa eno danchenso a Dom Kasee kandifo eye Alexander Fenyo Makin eno no so edi MPP amanyoko no wo mra sebedwafo no nyina namu apie free mra sebedwafie kosi speaker beba no wo mo ema asetena bi na edanchenso a owura Aban Suman Bagbin wonom ena pagefo de tudwa HSA Supreme Court gina ye omasie ewo sebo de tudwa ne ho no wonhye na wonfa eni dwumasem ne bi eka we ho na wiei medie muoma ne nyina ebrɛw ese Premtobre Kasee boye ko yeni ma Premtobre agokansie ye de beba edin amegye so ene abena pokua hwenie mamo habi me basisia Yes, na se wo mrase beja fia kandi former Adom Kasee wo hono ya Alexander Fenyo Makin ene okokopie mu wo mrase beja fia hono na wode akotudwa esede ekoso mo ba ya edom kuma no agibia ye omote no afa no wo mu nyina apia bonten ya enyade a wo mo esamba ko speaker beba yenhwe sede ekoso
yentumi ye ba ye yenuanom abefa ye kwenya sadia Ghana eso ye ho yentumi ni omo betu kontoma sabi aya twi ni nyansa na ye de kasa enye ntokwa iti no ye de asotwi ene papa ye de iti no ye koye office ye train company Kasee a wote kwenya endra speaker omode court ruling ebe serve inti yenim so no so ye mbranim ni a waka wedi kemami kebi echiachi inti ye bompa ye se oba onu be frɛ ye waka se lo edom kuma ndi omo ye no eyo eye inti no omo so eye na ye di etumi sabi se ebe bia obeka so mu bi abo inti ye ntumi ni omo fofo ntokwa ye mba ehwe ye wo fasefo ehwe Ghana fo omo yo adwuma ahemfo ehwe omo ni MPP yabobre ya si nyina ya hwese MPP fo a omo wa ban mu den na omo baye ese ya hwese kafra ya gimu ese ya hwese ya jikabna mi kebitu se Supreme Court akase na obi enu se fa me yenta ma speaker kasa ya ya fa ntokwa ye pie di na ka se ye kokọ ya asem eno na etetia ye penimfo edikanfo de tete nti no eya ntokwa ye koye office ya jidi se speaker ba di obeke bia no Ghana na be ya dance na me hia wo
ye kosoa agina wo emra sebedwa fie na panyi ba kwa ho no ma eye abedwakuo ye omo ehye oman no emra ne ho hye ye wo da ye ranking member no wo de tudwa se wo hye Supreme Court ye hye ni emra mo de ba ye ese ye sema speaker de tudwa na no ya wo da no wo ma no ensi ho no ma kosi se omo be sanso atena sem ne bi mu no na wo hye se na speaker lawyer fo so eguso etoto niema ese Supreme Court ruling no wo mo de be sinchen.
You must go to court to have the order set aside. In the case of Mr. Speaker, all right, I am reliably informed that his lawyers are currently trying to file processes to set aside the order of the Supreme Court. In that case, the status quo ante, in our view, should stay.
Okay, so the speaker has communicated to you that...
No. There has been no official communication from Mr. Speaker's lawyers. But we, the majority caucus, the NDC majority caucus, have information to that effect. Of the Supreme Court, that order is a nullity. It has no constitutional basis because first, Mr. Speaker's ruling is not a quasi-judicial order, neither is it a judgment of a court of competent jurisdiction to be set aside, to be stayed. Excellent. You cannot stay, the ruling of the Speaker of Parliament, which is merely a statement that guides Parliament in the conduct of its business. You cannot stay it.
That the Supreme Court got it wrong.
The Supreme Court got it wrong, totally wrong. So the ruling of the Supreme Court has no legs to stand on. That's what I mean by a void order.
Na yetwa so na ye fimra sebeje fia shankafo bi omo echi tanka yi bi na ekyese nema bi ekoso ewa kwan eso omo ebonyo so dispatch riders ahodo ne to da bi a wo mo dimri kantente ne wo hyene se wo parking setese nam se ka ne so so ntine ya na ama parking no wotumi nya no putuprum behu ano na kyese omo sese omo ka hwehwe sese omo ka eno mo de ato IGP anim se on sorry na wo de posifo no enkasa ewo homa wo.
Ghana National Petroleum Tanker Drivers Union Edia to just said ye wonum eye won adwuma na dispatch riders ha wonum no se say abro won so ya se say wonum akasa e2 won hofo e wo saa no ye no ko mai ekire mu say
eminim se adwene wo mutim se omo di convoy nim na ni moto no eye kitikiti se oye badwini ba e wo so hu se ampa ni moto na odi ba no eye kitwa hwe truck na e ba no obetimi you life a second ye car run ma say sika e training ye okay ye call training school enye training school ye call for driving school ye call training special training professional BRV training asa na ye kan tanka no enye nipa keke bi ne sorry e be kan tanka
na no si ya pe na tanka shankafo bi ene amane boni twetwe nkomo hawo a wono mu ne mu no wodi tu dwa
ba se police ni ayatete no se wo moja pade ene enkwa ho ban na otumi di sa adwuma yi no me madwinam de ka metimi aka se menyi ni so e prosini na so sanse no hye uniform sati moto ni so de be fa ni sa ye be sre se ni me papa e kan no ye obi a ye di mra so afidie na kita ye no ye wo hu nimdie ya kyerɛkyerɛ ye kwan a ye mfa so enkita fidie
na oba oman mu aye na mo beka se Sofia fo mo surveyors na ye wo institution ye Ghana Institution of Surveyors wa mo panyi Dr. Anthony Akwajei eno ode atudwa se wiase no esesa ekonanim enti nimdie bia ye wo so mo de ma wo mo members no se de beboa na mo dwumade o mo de be kwadim no wo mo no sa pepepe.
Surveyors womo ebibiman ene aman hodo ehyiemu conference so ewa fiwe won kran no president no ne da Ghana Institution of Surveyors ano Dr. Anthony Akwajei Kasee ewo womo conference womo yeye ewon kran odi tudwa se
bibi te se technology abefo enema affect no kakra na ye free bibi sustainability se ye kan se yen use solar yen eduanua se be ya ewiemu nsakra ya aba no ye betumi ateso enti nimdie na yesua no wo hodeda na se ye wo challenge se sa na ma no so no se ye niema ye dibidi ka enti conference ya ye ebie ye ni wonema bebre ho kwan ya ye betumi afa atoto ye niema se be ya niema ye no eno de skills na wo hodeda ebetumi anya nimdie fofora ebetumi asoso a ebetumi aboa se be ya nye nne nkora na in the near future no enema ye bia no etumi agina epintin anobia.
President Oda Africa Association of Quantity Surveyors ano free Zambia Matthew Ingulebe enso de futuo ema surveyors se womo enwe se enwuma womo ye no womo mfa abefo enka ho na yade a wonu beko ni mpa.
Without any doubt, if you do not embrace technology, you lose out. At the moment, there are a lot of things that have been discussed, and artificial intelligence is one of them. You know that many things are done using artificial intelligence. But apart from that, there are things you've heard sometimes here, BIM, whether you like it or not, you have to embrace it. Otherwise, you actually just be cut out.
Na kojo pon kroma ye so afo no ehwe enwuma ene adan ehosem so wode atudwa asanso de adesre ato Ghana Institution of Surveyors fo yenim eso mo dwumade bi omudie no mo hwe se ekwanim no wo mo ebehu sikasem totoye na enu achi nsoso no ensi echi ban hodo a ebeboa amamo dwumade ewadan simu no ebekwanim.
Surveyors womo ebibiman ene aman hodo ehyiemu conference so ewa fiwe won kran no osoafo no ne hwe enwuma ene adansie ewonsem so kojo opon kroma ede to surveyors for enim se womo enhwe se enhyehyeye ebeboa ama adan project womo ye na akwan ebeku nenim ti no womo hwe se womo ne enwuma womo ene hwe sika ewonsem so beka bom no mo timi akọ nenim.
And I want to take this opportunity to charge the Ghana Institute of Surveyors and the quantity surveying community globally to work closely with our financial and insurance institutions to design and manage innovative financial products tailored to the construction industry. These products should address project cash flow challenges, providing financing solutions that are adaptive to the needs of modern, complex construction projects. By ensuring that the financial backbone of projects is solid, we create an environment where projects can not only start on time, but will also be completed within budget and schedule.
Na medeo kwa Westman Sinimu ewa Premtobre ho na akoko senior high school ewo na assistant headmistress ede to just free SHS baye no ama school fon kwada ne dodo ekoso akodu bempem yensa na baabi omo beda baabi omo betena didie baabi obetena suade akwakoyo how Kasee ede ama wo.
Assistant Headmistress Domestic Department here Wonkoko Senior High School Agnes Mintan Sembia wade ya tuja NSA enam segana ban ye de free senior high school program abaye n'inteno amamofra na do so school ne mo na so dometri no eso e wo honom te basa na amamofra ne brenemboa e wade kire na desua ensem na emo.
Say because of free SHS yekita very high population of about 3,000 plus. And with this polytank ebeboa with storage. And if you are, you dine no painting, and so yeah, this ready Kasee, and I know yes, see ya check or here renovations, any painting, na man facelift, na great Kasee, tokoli Kasee, edge nice so.
And Rechi, Chairman of 1992-year group, Professor Edward Asante, at the piece say,
Ikita and some tank, Ubrunibeka say polytank, 10,000 liters, Nkwalano mbetimi de nsuo agum. Na aboam enu achi ni so na yekita ensem first aid different types first aid na ye de bre om se no so om fa moa om na atimi aboa nkwara nso bi yare ansa na om atimi ahwe na ansa na om de na ko ayansabia aban boa awofo boa obi e boa school no aye Kasee yenye mremu na school no nya Kasee sei na ye ba ye hu se school no mu atrepa na nkwala no so adoso na niema wa ha no enso emofra no enu nti na eboaboa hu se ye beba na abeboa ye ba enso ye hu se niema bebiru amofra no omuhia nti samra make say kra no ye fi hape ye san kohia ye ya hoboa na ya hwe niema bi a omakeka keka ye yiwe afi ho no ebi wo ho ye besan ahwe na ye di hu djuma.
Kwasakefo mo ho amanebo eno no na yenkomra sebegefie ohina mponsa kakabo ewo ho na afi yenhwe speaker wabedru na so medru ye na wabedru matena se Adom Kasee no MPP fa no maba ana so mayo hene mai speaker bedru na
ya abna be anybody enya mpe na speaker ebetna se na afekra na obebesha se akasa on kasa kra yentina the speaker no about bedru na baba bedru na e kan so e dey account sabe ya you know e kasa na ya tefo e se e dey ne ekosu no speaker benkum so dey e da so e dan pan a e masebeja no obia etio e na face so NDC caucus no e ti ni fa so e na ho no so no enya ade a sadi one MP caucus ni pie no obia abaho no near Esia say Yanan and say speaker lawyer for Enam Suana to one Busua what for now what file a document SSS Supreme Court ruling no what person one exceptional aside
ohine speaker Kasee ekasa enti yemfa ahwefo nkomra sebegefie na fe ehomfoni no ensema speaker eka yemfa kakra
duty as in their sight, give divine guidance to the President of the Republic, endow members of Parliament and ministers of state with discernment and vision, integrity and courage, that through the labors of government, this land and people may be well and truly served, and that good purposes for the common human life be realized in our midst. O God, grant us a vision of our country, fair as it might be, a country of righteousness, where none shall wrong his neighbor, a country of plenty, where evil and poverty shall be done away with, a country of brotherhood, where all success shall be founded on service, and honor shall be given to the deserving, a country of peace, where government shall rest on the will of the people and the love for the common good. Bless the efforts of those who struggle to make this vision a living reality. Inspire and strengthen our people, that they may give time, thought, and sacrifice to speed the day of the coming beauty of Ghana and Africa. Amen. Honorable members, we will take item 3 on the order paper. Honorable members, National Pledge. Pursuant to Order 69, we shall proceed to recite the National Pledge. I promise on my honor to be faithful and not honor my motherland. I pledge myself with all my Thank you so much. Please resume your seats. Honorable members, I want to vary the order of business, and we will take next item 6. Item 6 on the order paper, which is correction of votes and proceedings and official report. We shall commence with the correction of the votes and proceedings of the 3rd sitting dated Thursday, 17th October 2024. Page 1. Page 2. Page 3. Page 4. Page 5. Page 6. Page 7. Page 8. Page 9. Yes, Honorable Member.
Speaker, thank you for the opportunity. Mr. Speaker, item number 5 on page 9. Mr. Speaker, the statement made by the Honorable Minority, the Honorable Atufosin, Mr. Speaker, was in respect of the fact that 4 members of Parliament whose names have been listed have breached Article 97(1)(g) and (h). It was not a mere allegation, Mr. Speaker. So the appearance of who were alleged to have been in breach, I believe that it does not reflect the true statement made by the member, because it was based on the statement that the Speaker proceeded to make to give information that you gave to the House. The Speaker further, in indicating the names of the honorable members so named, their current situations and circumstances were clearly stated in the motion paper, so that, for instance, the first name, Peter Yaokwachi Aka, the NDC member for Amenfi Central, and now an independent candidate. Mr. Speaker, so the statement contained these clear facts, and therefore it's important that they reflect in the proceedings as captured for purposes of correction. Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity.
Yes, Honorable Member for Medina.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, I also want to draw your attention to the same item, the paragraph 5, the ending statement, which is majority caucus in inverted commas. Mr. Speaker, I think the true intention will be reflected there when we say that the minority caucus staged a walkout instead of a majority caucus in inverted commas. So if the correction can be made to reflect what was there. Thank you.
Yes, Honorable Member Bolsa Saf. Is that okay? Yes, from the distance I can't see. Honorable Member for, you are all right? Thank you, thank you. Table office, kindly take note of the comments made by the members. Please cross-check from the records and capture what is on the record of the House. Please, page 10. Page 11. Honorable members, in the absence of any further corrections, the votes and proceedings of the third sitting, dated Thursday, 17th October 2024 are adopted as the true record of proceedings. Honorable members, I don't have a copy of any of the official reports. So we'll proceed now to item 5, formal communication by the Speaker. Honorable members, as you may recall, on Thursday, I informed the House, pursuant to Standing Order 18 of the Standing Orders of Parliament, on the occurrence of vacancies in the House in relation to 4 honorable members. Yesterday, I received a process from the Supreme Court, which is a ruling from the Supreme Court pursuant to an ex parte application directing Parliament to recognize and allow the 4 affected members of Parliament to duly represent their constituents and conduct full scope of duties of their offices as members of Parliament pending a final determination of a suit filed by Honorable Alexander Afenyo-Markin. By Article 102 of the Constitution, 1992, and Order 64.1 of the Standing Orders of Parliament, I note that we currently have a quorum to transact business, but not to take decisions. I want to read the said Article 102 of the Constitution. It reads, a quorum of Parliament, apart from the person presiding, shall be 1/3 of all the members of Parliament. As presently constituted, the numbers definitely is far above 1/3 of the members of Parliament. But by Article 104, the numbers are not sufficient for us to take decisions. And I'll quote Article 104. Article 104.1 says, except as otherwise provided in this Constitution, matters in Parliament shall be determined by the votes of the majority of members present and voting, with at least half of all the members of Parliament present. Honorable members, we don't have at least half of all the members of Parliament present. Consequently, in view of the current circumstances, the fact that there is a question on the composition and constitution of Parliament, and having regard to the public interest and the exigencies of the state of affairs in Parliament, I will proceed to, in accordance with Standing Orders 59, adjourn the House indefinitely. That is sine die. I want to quote Standing Orders 59.1. It says, the Speaker may, in consultation with leadership, suspend a meeting of the House indefinitely or for a period determined by the Speaker, having regard to the public interest and the exigencies of the state of affairs in the country. Honorable members, I have consulted leadership and I am exercising my discretion to decide to suspend the meeting of the House indefinitely. The House is accordingly adjourned sine die.
Dia koso ewo emra sebedwa fie no na mame ntwa mo me ba ye bebreki ye bebubu na what bibi ase amame na ase se oguso a eka me ho ha ya Adom TV ewia Premtobre Kasee bo na wo hwe no emra sebedwa fie ne fie ba ye speaker asini gina ye wo se na obi a ewa twene mu se ensema e koso na wo twetwa mu ema speaker eka se seat 9 formina baton pesua so Aguna West abato empesua so uma baton pesua so na Amenfi East abaton pesua so ehon mu nyina no sasit na dampan na Supreme Court ye rafenyo mark no na edi Adom Kasee ni mu fi ho de kwadan Supreme Court de betudwa ye omode nkrata koma wo mmra tebedwa fi ho say sa ye ruling na temu na speaker de ba na wo twetwa mu no omane nkonkon ho kosi se omo betena asem no so awie nti ene na twene mu ana oman no wo ya yeti the speaker ebe kan ba ye no chese nipa wo honom no emra sebedwafo no no omododo no eye de betumi ama omatena asese de omo edi nkomo no na se omo betumi asi gina ye de wo mu ehia emutu thirds na chese echemu miensa 275 na kwasi yechemu miensa wo se mu mienu ewo fi ho na eno na wo chese ene wasi gina ye wo se parliament no you know omukwa homijimu one check that senida ni say date I say indefinite date bi ani so say na omo ba wotena ana na wotwe ibesim ana na wotwe mienu ye ni hu nkomo kakra he say benya constitutional lawyer na waboa yen article 104 ni article 106 ya obobo so no de na eka de na kire akwasi de akoso no na wo expect say be ko wie say
dabi na menim say obeba aba be kan bibia be kan mu nyina abom na ono so gina mmara so na odi make decision na ye wabato afi enche koto aba ntentumi nkoba se emra MP fo ni bi ewo parliament shemra ye adwuma na bi so nam constituency na speaker say ene twa no pam no parliament no ye trans bio enko trans one shade date obi abakwa ni campaign but enye for our democracy.
Okay.
Because and there's a gap to be that baby. That is why President knew and the vice knew speaker knew Chief Justice. So bring up bringing the three arms of government. No, as I say, yeah, Juma. Well, when I go company saying composite budget down. As I say, MP for you be trans no muji tum.
Mama, just a composite budget. Akwasi kano ehia pa. It's say abandon budget or the kotu fi hono no. December 31st. Nasa. Eti bosumi January opepon ojefo obenem bosumi abosumi miensa nyina no. Sa composite budget na ebetua abayadwuma efoka. Eti say efi ho manye nto dia na. Ya to abani we next 3 months no.
Ye nto obi aka. Sana me hunu. Because abani say sikani why sika won't for sanka sika bia. As say appropriation bill e ka composite budget no. Na mo gitum MP for nyina ko transfer ma giatum. Sani ebe ye wonu mo ye aban adwuma no aban betumi atu omka na sisi de akoye de se speaker so ko pen be bia tra sika na ye di tu omka by 31st of this month nasa
na kwaso nim se LI 2462 eno so edef e wo hono ma ko so mudi hojuma galamse ya bi mu na fama gudie bi mu etimi wura kwaye mu no ye forest kwaye no so mampani ka se esese mo de be ko galamse no wo mu be ye fi ho e wo semra se be je fie gitum ba bi edu
akosen enye
okay
o se parliament ye adwo Ghana for de yetumi ama wo se mo nkosi adem no mo hye maye na se ba ko du ba bi na nsem se be ba emwa ye kabi memi kabi amemu no emwa Nenso no we no eye sen kura say ye ni parliament. Ye ho parliament yi de eye. Then mum ginesie na omesi speaker, that's the best interest. It is sisi ade ohunu oni obi afa. Ohwe senior MPP MP sa boycott na koka NDC for kwa hona ne djuma be no bedi. Wa gina mra so wa kire to me dem na ka. And one we make a decision. That's it.
It's say no wa so ye majority and so ye.
Obi akoye the campaign.
Ukoye post no o dem
na. Me dey make can say ya ye to aba no.
Yeah.
Ya nso ye hwe.
Okay.
Omo wo oman ho do. So omo be hihye mra na maye no maboa ye na oman na ko de ye hwe. December 7th. Yes so be a decision.
Okay.
That's it.
Akwasi yen share dynamics say parliamentary ye kitayi. The emrase bejafo dodo a MPP enya ye kaketo abi enya independent a oba ye ma mbenya 137+1 a enkepaye e wo fie ho nti eba no sa no abeka say sa system we parliament ya witness from na hyase eba na wieye as a chaos beginning chaos ending omanu enhopisi ebesa a repeat ade we bi mana
in democracy no sa no ma esisi
okay
bre a wo de about to yi umpanifo nyina no sa no edu ba bi a etumi ba ne sa ni nyina na eyesuade ni yesi wa ha nya Ghana ha pewu America almost started democracy over 200 years ago sa no ma nyina mo famu da e ba no ma hye homra no mo komanim nti me giri se ni abai Ghana fo nso aku se parliament no ekosi pae a ohawa di beni eno so what the positive ni say afei no untumi nka se me na mo majority de be pena wo di bibia afam de do ba bia wo be hia minority views wo be hia minority support to make a decision
okay
enti no for ne fan ba bi no eye na mum se ne ekoba ya parliament adwuma no ma anwie no ma sori so no eni manim ya eno na ye how kakra wo but you know hang parliament no the checks and balances about the executive and the majority side of the house.
Okay, so you witness such checks and balances, no? To which extent? Because there were levies and you might pinoa a buyer. Don't kuma cassette ya. I could be a tree.
You got to so be kusi say.
You could be a BG2.
Don't come for ni BG2.
A pine the hang parliament. No more check here. Ban said you do not accommodate you.
Budget.
Yeah.
And no maybe one day woman no mpea. Minority for say ma yi sa no o ma ye mo di appointment bi ba o mfie o mani di o mbeka no edimu ena nkoba say han ye ne yedos nti de pe ne be hang parliament ni fa ba bi eboa ye democracy
okay
e ma ne shedin e ma ye tumi ye emra bebre but unfortunately baby akwakodu ene no eno na me mani nyi
okay Mate akwasi yen hwe ena idea nim no de be free ho no maba ti de akoso emrase bejafie eni nkomo ne yemwie ye na wachi mu nyina beto so adia na ya hye babia beko akosi na yenko yenim a NDC amanyoko no adwamtena ni Yora Johnson asedun ketia wode entoabo bi hyase ewo eye empotama hodo ye no na eye bunu mantem ni mu ene wo hyase watwa so ya wo chese enhyemu bi aputupuru pa enhyemu ewo nkran se wo so obanti to ni nyina no wode awie
anwumre na omode kra e ba se mene no nyina ensa mankran na meeting kese ho a e be dwene ne ma na NCC eye court se me parliament ntem wasem ya de nti ma problem no kula me me ha mi traso ba bia na se traso ya mi ha traso na e no na asa concrete na ya kwa traso ti ya nti me anchewo aye fie let's say if you
na mampani abedi echalaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no na etu franka ma MPP amanyoko no na wode ato o manfo mo one of ton abato MPC no so ene MPP fo ne manfo ne nyina se de siye wo hohoi ya MPP etumi bowura mu enyamra se bedwani e wo ho no bi ebetumi esi one of ton ho muti no party man yirom ho nyedwuma ene o manfo no nkasa
bra wonum youth connect ewo Northton ya na Franketuni MPP amanyoko no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene manfo no edin kita ho no ene ode to wonu monim say
every religion, every tribe, we are going to fight for Ghana because it is possible to transform this country. What happened in Hohoi can happen here in North Tongo. Amewu was running, they said it was not possible, but he said it is possible, and he made it.
Ne Kasee ye mu no wasan so dia to emebu na wonom e wa baton person so onum nyina anim se.
We are going to make sure that all the youth have training in digital skills. I'm going to train 1 million youth in digital skills, and 5,000 youth from North Tongo will have training in digital.
Niji se mo Kwame Eugene and na wade to just ogusua and Links Entertainment ejuma.
The musical side, I mean, there are people doing there's something happening with you and Links. I mean, today you are here. I would love you to clear the air. Is there anything happening or what's up with Kwame, Eugene and Links? Because they are saying that they believe that they didn't see the links. I mean, those things in there and it's on your platforms. And what was it?
Okay, so with myself and Links Entertainment, I think first of all I would say that people are so impatient with what they see on social media. If there was an official exit like everyone is talking about, I don't put anything out, Links don't put anything out yet, and people are just trying to end our contract for us, and I think it's I don't know it's I don't know how to put it, but at the end of the day, I think if we are
Menyina se me so na wi Premtobre Kasee boy ba ni nyina no me fancy edin amagye so ene abena pokua hwenne mada wase amamu ene hwe fire for fire songo edit waso.